Hello, boys and girls, viewers. Once again, my name is Mr. Maxwell 409. Today, I'm going to ask the movie 16, and there's 8 comments, right? What's this comment? And I commented back, if you use Flipperclip, it's okay. I use Flipperclip and I work so hard to make Ask the movie 16. Is it okay? This is the same man who I beat him in subscribers, and this guy is calling me trash for some reason. No, I mean, he didn't call me trash, but he said I used Tom Scar's video when Tom Scar wasn't animating. Well, if you've seen this video, T tavg123. If you're watching this, I'm not sorry. I'm not okay with that comment, okay? You got that? Don't you dare comment that again, okay? tavg123, okay? Don't comment that again, okay? Bye, viewers and boys and girls. Bye.